Hello viewers, welcome once again. Today we are looking at cross products, and our question is, are cross products equal? So in this case we are going to be using cross multiplication or cross multiply. Now let's look at our first example as 8 to 3 and 11 to 7. So we want to take these two ratios and see if they are really proportional or proportions. In this case, we are going to arrange it as 8 over 3. We'll first say that it is equal to 11 over 7. Now we are going to multiply the cross products. We do multiply 3 and 11, then 8 and 7. When they are equal, then we know that they are proportions. When they are not equal, then we know that they are not proportions. Then we will take 8 times 7 and we see if it is equal to 3 times 11. So for 8 times 7, that is 56. And then 3 times 11, that is 33. So we'll see that this is not equal. This one is not equal. So if it is not equal, then we write that 8 over 3 and 11 over 7 are not proportional. It is not proportional. So these two ratios are not proportional. So let's look at our next example. We have 6 to 10 and 9 to 15. We want to write these ratios to see if they are proportional or not by using cross products. So we'll write 6 out of 10. We'll first say, simply write it like that. This is the way how we express a proportion. Then now we take on the cross products. 9 is going to be multiplied with 10, and then 6 is going to be multiplied with 15. So then we'll say 6 times 15 is equal to 10 times 9. So 6 times 15, we know it is 90. And 10 times 9, that is 90. So these are equal. This means that these two ratios are proportional. So we write our conclusion and say 6 over 10 is equal to 9 over 15, and this one is proportional. This is proportional. So that is how we deal with cross products to find whether the ratios are proportional or not proportional. Thanks for watching. Until next time.